All right, hello everybody. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing these F150 LEDs around the cup holder and the shift lever. And if you didn't already see my previous video, go ahead and watch that. I'll put a link in there on how to remove your center console trim. So what I got here is some double-sided tape. I'm going to be placing pieces along here, and that will help hold this LED strip, which I'm going to be setting in place here along the way. So that way when you put your center trim back in, it stays where it belongs. A lot of people install it with this trim already in place. They just simply pop it up a little bit and they wiggle it underneath this piece. But I'm going to go ahead and use the double-sided tape. It'll be a little bit cleaner looking and it'll stay into place a little easier. So I'm just going to cut off little strips about that size. I'm going to place them all along each corner here and halfway down the straight paths here. All right, now that we got that in place, we'll go ahead and peel off the back side. All right, now we'll grab our light strip. I'm going to start it down in here. Press it into place firmly. Run it right along the edge. Keep it nice and tight. And now that we have that in place, we'll go ahead and do the opposite side over here. Alright, now that we have it all taped on, we can go ahead and place it inside the truck, set the centerpiece back in, and make the final adjustments as needed. Alright, we're back inside the truck. Make sure you got your parking brake applied. We're going to go ahead and shift this into neutral so we can get the center console back in. Now our lights are installed. You can see that in there, all taped in nice. We'll go ahead and place this back in carefully so we don't go and knock the wires off. All right. The final step is to connect these wires to your harnesses and run them down, and then we'll snap this down into place completely. Alright, so here's the harness that we're going to connect. It's going to connect to these ends here. These two loose ends from these wires will plug in to these, and then the rest of the wire will get run down underneath the side trim into the fuse box on your passenger side. Alright, now that we have them connected, I'm going to go ahead and tuck all these loose wire, including this box here, down underneath this piece before I snap it into place. Okay, they're all tucked in there. Make sure nothing's going to get pinched. Then you can go ahead and lock that back down into place. Alright, I got everything secured. Got the wire run down in here. It goes down underneath this trim piece here. It's hard to see, low lighting here. You run it all the way underneath your trim, and my instructions say, you can see in here, to pull the number 23 fuse. So I got it plugged into there, and you also secure it to that bolt down there. Now your instructions may be different. This is on a 2019 F150. Just check your instructions with whatever comes with your lighting. And again, these are from F150 LEDs. Here's how the console looks before the installation. As you can see, it's pretty hard to see. And now here's how it looks after installation. It lights up pretty nice. It's not real dark yet, but as it gets darker, it should look a lot better. And it matches nice to the rest of the color in the truck.